Actor Allu Arjun recently faced an unfortunate incident when his house in Hyderabad was vandalized by a group from Usmania University's Joint Action Committee JAC on Sunday. The group, demanding compensation for a woman who died in a cinema stampede, caused damage to property at the actor's home in Jubilee Hills. Allu Arjun was not present during the attack, which took place shortly after he urged his fans to avoid abusive behavior. The vandals who threw stones and damaged flower pots were quickly arrested, but six were granted bail within hours. The Telangana government condemned the attack, with Chief Minister Revant Reddy emphasizing on X that any laxity in maintaining law and order would not be accepted. Allu Arjun's father, veteran producer Allu Arvind, responded to the incident by urging restraint, reassuring that law enforcement was handling the situation and any further troublemakers would be dealt with by the police. He stressed that no one should support such actions. Additionally, the DCP of Central Zone issued a report to the DGP about a suspended police officer, Vishnu Murthy, for violating disciplinary norms by holding a press conference without prior approval and making derogatory remarks against Allu Arjun. The DGP's office is currently investigating the matter.